What's going on, everybody? Just got my Dominator GP3 exhaust in, freshly delivered from Poland for my 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000. Do a quick unboxing, show you what's in the packaging, then a quick install, and before and after sound. Hopefully she's sounding pretty good. Packaging looks pretty good. Came nice and packaged well. So let's dig into it, see what we got going on here. Holy moly. And there it is. Nice satin finish. But since my bike is the black version, I think I may get this powder coated to match. I'm not sure yet. So as y'all can see, again, it's 2025, basically brand new. Only got 312 miles on it, so. So you're going to take out these two bolts right here, starting with this one for the heat shield. You're going to need a Allen size 4 wrench, and then this one is going to be an Allen 6. But this one also has a bolt on the back that you need to hold in place while you try to turn that. And again, this is a 12mm wrench back here to hold the bolt in place while you loosen up the size 6 Allen. And you've also got the clamp bolt right here, which is an Allen 6 to take off. And then once that's loosened, you're just going to kind of give it a little wiggle. And fortunately for me, my bike is still like new, so mine's coming off pretty easy. Yours may not. You may need to warm it up a little bit, or even apply a little bit of, penetrant oil or something like that. And there she is. And if you look down in there, there's a little sleeve gasket, like a soft metal, like maybe a soft aluminum. Sometimes that will come out on the pipe. Mine stayed inside, so not a big deal, because most aftermarket slip-ons, including the GP3 from Dominator, will not reuse that. They'll fit snugly on the pipe right there. Now when you compare the two, you can see there's definitely a size difference, and when you hold them side by side, huge weight difference. The stock muffler definitely weighs a few pounds, maybe 2 pounds. This bad boy's probably around 5 or 6 maybe. So let's go ahead and get her installed. So mine is a little bit tight. It is going to require a little bit of finagling to get on, so don't be afraid to work it a little bit. It did come with its own pipe clamp, as you see there. I could reuse the factory one, but I'll figure I'll just use the one that Dominator gave me. And then just make sure you get it lined up behind and just kind of wiggle it into place. And once you start getting it moving, it shouldn't give you any problems. And then this bolt right here did require a little bit of finagling to get into place. So I just kind of backed it off a little, backed the whole slip on itself off a little bit, finagled it in place, and got the bolt lined up so that way I could kind of work it from there. And then don't forget to put the washer and the bolt itself on the back of that. So if you do choose to use the bolt clamp that came with the Dominator, this bolt itself is actually a Allen 5. And then on the stock muffler itself, you'll see this little rubber kind of cover. It slides right off. And then you'll just use that here to help with vibration noise. Which, if you look on the inside of the factory heat shield, you'll see that that's what slides it onto. So when you take the exhaust off, you'll actually undo that screw, and then you'll slide it towards the rear of the bike. All right. Well, I'm not particularly a fan of the stock heat shield there. May get it powder coated black, just kind of blend in a little bit. I wish Suzuki would have done that from the factory. May even get the Dominator exhaust powder coated as well at some point. Wish they did it as well. Fun suggestion for the future Dominator. Other than that, we'll give it a cold start, see how she sounds now.